Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's Grocery Stores. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today we are going outside to the grill because we've got a ton of amazing fresh produce that I'm gonna grill up and toss around in a very tasty pasta. Heinen's works with over 60 local farmers to bring you the absolute freshest in-season produce possible. I've got an amazing assortment of vegetables from golden yellow squash to zucchini to Roma tomatoes to amazing sweet corn. So the first thing we need to do is prep up our vegetables. I'm gonna show you a little trick when it comes to cooking corn, so go ahead and leave them in the husk, place them on a sheet tray lined with parchment paper, and now let's prep up our vegetables. We're gonna slice up some golden yellow squash. Next, some zucchini. We're going to peel and slice up a sweet onion. Some really cool purple bell peppers. And last but not least, some Roma tomatoes. Now what we want to do is drizzle olive oil and season with salt and pepper those vegetables because we need them to be nice and coated before we cook them on the grill. Once your grill is hot, go ahead and add the corn on first. This is going to take about 15 to 20 minutes to completely cook. After about 10 minutes or so, go ahead and turn them over and you'll see they start to become brown. The husks do. This is great timing to start cooking all the rest of our vegetables. So cook up our zucchini and squash. You really just want to get a mark on these. We're not trying to cook them through till they're mushy. We still want them to be al dente. So for literally maybe 1 minute per side. Next, we're going to cook up the bell peppers. Add them to the sheet tray lined with parchment paper. Followed up with cooking up the sweet onions and tomatoes. Once those are all grilled up, the corn should be finished. Go ahead and add those back to the sheet tray. Let's come back inside and cook this pasta. I'm going to be using Banza pasta, which is a chickpea flour based noodle loaded with protein and fiber. You're going to love it. It's absolutely delicious. So add some to a large pot of boiling salted water. While it's boiling, this is perfect timing because we need to go back and finish trimming up some of those vegetables. Let's go ahead and slice up the bell peppers. Next, the sweet onions. And last but not least, we're gonna shuck and shave the corn right off the cob. Go ahead and strain the pasta. We're gonna add it to a large bowl. Now add on all those delicious vegetables. I know it's a lot. I literally cook for an army every single time. We're gonna drizzle on some Heinen's extra virgin olive oil. Season it very well with sea salt and fresh cracked black pepper. We're gonna toss it around until it's completely coated. I'm gonna finish it by adding it to a nice serving bowl and sprinkling on some fresh chiffonade basil. You guys, this pasta is absolutely gorgeous. We're talking 30 minutes from start to finish. That's prep, cooking, tossing, and plating. 30 minutes, that's nothing. You can do that in the middle of the week, for the weekend, and maybe entertaining with some guests. It's that kind of gorgeous and delicious. Sometimes those simplest things are almost always the best. Be sure to get all these great ingredients from your favorite Heinen's grocery stores and also stop by Heinens.com. We are packed there with delicious recipe videos and other recipe ideas. I'm gonna get into this pasta. We'll see y'all later.